morning students. Last class we discussed about electron affinity. What are the factors affect on the electron affinity? How to change in group and period. Today we discuss about electronegativity. So, what is our topic? Electronegativity or electronegative character. Next, what is the definition of electronegativity? It is denoted by En. The tendency of an atom gain electron towards itself with another atom is called as electronegativity. Here also, if the tendency of an atom gain electrons from outermost orbit towards itself is called as electronegativity. The tendency of an atom gain electron towards itself with another atom is called as electronegativity. The tendency of an atom gain electron towards itself with another atom or the tendency of atom gain electrons towards itself from outermost orbit is called En. So these are the two definitions is there. Next, who was introduced by the electronegativity, and also one scale was introduced by Mulliken, that is called as Mulliken scale. What is the use of this scale? This is used for the calculation of electronegativity of atom. According to Mulliken scale, what kind of information given as this Mulliken scale? So here average ionization, average of ionization potential and electron affinity is equal to electronegativity. Electronegativity equal to ionization potential plus electron affinity by 2. This is the average of ionization potential and electron affinity is equal to electron negativity. This is explained by the Millikan's rule. What is the formula? En equal to, En means electron negativity equal to ionization potential plus electron affinity by 2. Next, what are the factors affect on the electron negativity? What are the factors affecting on the En? En means electronegativity. There are two factors is there. What are that? One is atomic radius. What happens? Atomic radius increases and decreases, then electron negativity. Now here point number 1, atomic radius increases, then electronegativity decreases. Next, point number 2, atomic radius decreases, then electronegativity increases. What are the reasons? So here what happens? Atomic radius increases, then electronegativity decreases. Atomic radius decreases, then electronegativity increases. What are the reasons? Now observe. Suppose any two elements you can take. Lithium, sodium. Lithium atomic number 3, sodium atomic 11. Atomic radius, that means atomic size. This one. What is the atomic radius? The distance between nucleus to outermost orbit. So here the distance between nucleus to outermost orbit is very less is there. That's why nucleus easily attracted by towards itself outermost electron. That's why it has more electronegativity, because of atomic radius decreases, then electronegativity increases. Suppose here observe, the distance between nucleus to outermost orbit is very large is there. That's why the nuclear charge is very less on the outermost orbit electron. That's why does not gain easily electron, less gaining nature. So here lithium has atomic radius decreases, then electronegativity increases, because of gain of tendency is increases here, because of the distance between nucleus to outermost orbit electron very less, that's easily gained towards itself. Next here atomic radius, what happens? Atomic radius increases, then electronegativity decreases. What is the reason? So here the nucleus, the distance between nucleus to outermost orbit is very large there. That's why the nuclear charge very less on the outermost orbit electron, does not gain easily electron towards itself. That's why less electronegativity. So this is over. Next, second factor is nuclear charge. What happens? Nuclear charge increases and decreases, then electronegativity we can observe. Here nuclear charge increases, then electronegativity increases. Next point number 2, nuclear charge decreases, then electronegativity decreases. So here there are 2 points there. What are that? Nuclear charge increases, then electronegativity increases. Second point, nuclear charge decreases, then electronegativity also decreases. So how it is possible? Now check it. So here lithium atomic number 3, sodium atomic number 11, atomic size of atomic size or atomic radius. Now check it. Lithium size, this is, sodium size, this is. This is nucleus, it has charge, outermost orbit. So here the distance between nucleus 2 and outermost orbit very less is there. Here the distance between nucleus 2 and outermost orbit very large is there. When we compare these two, which cases have more nuclear charge on the outermost orbit? So which cases have lesser distance between the nucleus to outermost orbit? That cases nuclear charge more on the outermost orbit. So here nuclear charge more on the outermost orbit. So that's why electronegativity also increases. How it is possible? Because of the gain of electron capacity increases. Here nuclear charge increases, then electronegativity also increases. Next, coming to here, what happens here? Distance between these two very large is there. That's why the nuclear charge is very less on the outermost orbit. Here the nuclear charge very less on the outermost orbit electron. That's why it does not gain towards electron itself easily. So here nuclear charge very less, that means nuclear charge decreases, then electronegativity decreases. Next, how to change in group and period. How to change electronegativity in a group and period. First we consider as in a group. In a group, top to bottom, electronegativity decreases due to atomic radius increases, nuclear charge decreases. Once again I repeat, what happens electronegativity in a group? In a group, electronegativity top to bottom decreases due to atomic radius increases, nuclear charge decreases. In a group, top to bottom, electronegativity decreases due to atomic radius increases and nuclear charge decreases. So in a group, top to bottom electronegativity decreases due to atomic radius, increases, and nuclear charge decreases. Now let me take any one group. First a group, lithium, sodium, potassium. Lithium atomic number 3, sodium 11, potassium 19. So here atomic size of lithium is this one. Sodium atomic size, potassium. So here atomic radius means what? The distance between nucleus to outermost orbit. Here what happens? Atomic radius increases. So less atomic radius, more atomic radius, more atomic radius. So atomic radius increases. Then what happens? Electronegativity decreases. Next, nuclear charge decreases. So here nuclear charge, what happens here? The distance between these two, nucleus to outermost orbit, very less. That's why more nuclear charge on the outermost orbit, electron. Next, so here the distance between nucleus and outermost orbit, some large is there. That's why some less nuclear charge on the outermost orbit, electron. Next here, the distance between nucleus and outermost orbit, very large. That's why the nuclear charge very less on the outermost orbit, electron. So here the nuclear charge more on the outermost orbit, electron. So here some less nuclear charge on outermost orbit, electron. Here nuclear charge very less on the outermost orbit, electron. So here wherever the nuclear charge very less is there, does not gain electron towards itself easily. So here nuclear charge more is there, that's why easily gain electron towards itself. That's why it has more electronegativity, less electronegativity, very less electronegativity. So this is the reason. Atomic radius increases, nuclear charge decreases. Next, in a period, so here what happens in a period electronegativity? In a period from left to right, electronegativity increases due to atomic radius decreases and nuclear charge increases on the outermost orbit, electron. Now let me take any one period. Second period. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine near. Lithium atomic number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here inert gases does not have electronegativity because of stable elements. That's why leave it, no problem. Lithium atomic size. Beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Atomic radius means the distance between nucleus to outermost orbit. So here observed atomic radius decreases. Here observed more atomic radius, less, very less. Atomic radius decreases. Then second one, what happens? Nuclear charge increases. So here what happens? The distance between nucleus to outermost orbit very large is there. That's why nuclear charge very less on the outermost orbit electron. So here more nuclear charge, some more. Here the distance between nucleus to outermost orbit very less. That's why the nuclear charge more on the outermost orbit electron. So that means the distance between nucleus to outermost orbit decreases, nuclear charge increases. So this is the reasons. So tomorrow remaining topic we will discuss.